Understanding Joystick Master, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, Joystick Master. This phrase is intriguing and not so commonly used, so understanding it can really enhance your English skills. At its core, the term, Joystick Master, refers to someone who is exceptionally skilled at using a joystick. A joystick is a control device used mainly in video games or in certain control systems, like aircraft. So, a joystick master is someone who has mastered the use of this device, implying they are highly skilled in gaming or operating whatever the joystick controls. While the literal meaning is clear, joystick master can also be used metaphorically. In everyday conversation, it might refer to someone who is exceptionally good at controlling or handling complex situations. This metaphorical use depends greatly on the context in which it is said. Let's see how this phrase can be used in sentences. 1. My brother is a true joystick master when it comes to playing flight simulator games. 2. In the corporate world, she's known as a joystick master for her ability to steer the company through tough times. Sometimes, joystick master may appear in pop culture, like in video game communities or online forums. Understanding this term can help you connect better with such communities. That's all about Joystick Master. I hope this video helps you understand and use this interesting phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language is more than just words. It's about context and culture too. Happy learning!